𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗘𝗨𝗡𝗚. We are now at the entrance of the Mahawu volcano. And we're going to go up. Let's go. There is a staircase going up. It's a bit of a climb. Takes you between 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your constitution. And it can be a bit slippery, but it's totally worth it, provided we have a nice view. Starting to breathe heavy. Okay. You can hear by my breathing, it's slightly challenging. But let's see what we find when we come up here as we're approaching the crater. There you go. Oh, nice. So here's the crater. And here we can see Mount Lokon, and actually we can go up here these rickety looking steps, and oh, hello, selamat siang. And now you can really see the crater. Look at that. Quite impressive. It's not an active volcano, but the bottom has like a tiny little mud pool. So this is the traditional costume of the 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗘𝗨𝗟, the warrior dancers of the Minahasa people. And he's always waiting here on top of Mahawu to take a picture with guests. Maybe.
Welcome to Mahawu. Ayo, bisa. Kepalanya mungkin besar. Oh.
Okay, it's a little bit top heavy. It's a little bit small, but thank you, Epi. There you go. Yata! 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗘𝗨𝗡𝗚. Okay, so that was the Mahawu volcano. And now we are going back down these steps, and we have to be careful. It can be a bit slippery. Our next stop is 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗔𝗡. I know that's a whole mouthful, but it's the place where they make the traditional palm wine called 𝗕𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗓. Now, virtually every country in Asia, or Southeast Asia I should say, has a version of this, which is usually called arak, for example, in Malaysia. But here the local drink is called 𝗕𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗡. So we're going to go there next and try it. Carefully down these slippery steps. You have to take your time.